Hey everyone, in this video we are going to take a look at these Bluhorizons from Steiner. This is a 10 by 26. They're binoculars, and this is not a review. I'll put up in the link here my product reviews and close-ups. This is a close-up. If you've followed my channel and you're familiar with the close-ups, you know, sometimes you just want to form your own conclusions or do your own research, and you just want a close-up view of the product. And that's what this is. I have no opinion really of these. I have not even used them yet. I did my own research. I do think it's neat that you can, that they adjust the light. This little feature here that is really just a fancy marketing ploy for some coding that they've done. But what I really just want is to really get a good close-up view of them. So that's what you're going to get in this video. I'm going to put a link right here above of a really thorough video from another YouTuber on these. So if you are researching them, he gives you way more information than I'm going to. But all this is a close-up view of what to expect, what they look like, what they feel like, the best I can explain in a video. So stay tuned. Okay, so right out of the box, here's the strap. Actually, I'll show you that too in a minute, but this is really, really close of the bridge centered. It's metal. Looks like aluminum. This is rubber. You can stick your finger into it, and it operates really smoothly. And it doesn't look like anything moves. Sometimes on these, something moves in and out. Nothing moves. It's all internal. It does lock, so that's all the way one way. Wow, that's a lot. That's all the way the other way. So it's not infinite. This one with the brand on it is fixed. They put their brand, this is metal. I can't put my fingernail into it at all. Little metal plaque. This is adjustable. It turns, that's all the way that way, all the way that way. So it hardly turns at all, about half a turn. These rotate, obviously, the cups, but you can see they rotate really easily. And they've got a pretty good angle on them. There we go, get those on the outside. This is also rubber. So this right here, up against your eyelashes, is soft rubber. Of course, you have the lens right there. This is the little clip for the lanyard. It's metal. And this is the rubber coating. So this is much softer. I can squeeze it. This is much softer. I can push my fingernail into it. This is clearly rubber. You can tell it's tacky, but well, not tacky. It's soft, but it's nowhere near as soft as the eye cups. I can't really push my fingernail into it. In fact, if I do, oh, there we go. Leaves a little dent, and then the dent comes out. This texture is kind of nice, I guess, if your hands were wet. This is the same rubber material right here. Lenses have like a blue mirror on them. There's two pins right here. Do they go through all the way? They do not. So it's closed off here, but you can see the pins on this side, and they're metal. This is some kind of plate right here. Actually, this is the assembly that goes all the way through. This is all one piece. So they've sandwiched this together. it secures from the bottom on this side, and it secures from the top on this side. So it's just an offset design. Everything you see there that's silver is, and then you got a serial number in there. This little emblem representing their fancy light program is like a resin, like a plastic resin. Doesn't feel like a sticker at all. I think I can see some metal down in there, but it's a hard plastic feeling resin. And I think the only thing I didn't really talk about was this. This is the same rubber, feels the same as this. It's actually got some serious grippiness to it, almost like a grater. I mean, it's very grippy. Same as, actually, it's more grippy. This is more grippy than this. It's probably because this is beveled and this is flat, but they definitely feel different. All right, I think that's it. I think I've gone over just about everything. Here's the lanyard. Usually these lanyards are a disappointment. Let's see how these are. And something fell out, so you get this little thing right here, and then you get this. So it's tight webbing, stitched, not glued, but heat sealed on the end. Adjustment strap, everything's stitched. The writing is perfectly smooth. It's actually, you can see the webbing through it. That's actually pretty nice. Doesn't seem like that's going to come off anytime soon. This feels like that glass impregnated plastic, you know, something a little better than regular plastic. And I guess you could hook these in directly. Seems like there should be two of these things. Okay, there should be two of these things. So this is very, very thin. This enables you to put them through here so that you can attach this to this. I'm not going to put this on because you got to loop this all the way through in order to get it when I go ahead and install it, but it seems to be good quality. Again, it doesn't feel like just cheap plastic. It feels like that glass impregnated plastic. This is clearly clamshelled, so they have some way, probably around this little hole, some way of holding this cord in place. My experience with these very, very thin cords is very good. It seems to hold up very well. So there you go. That is a close-up for the Steiner Bluhorizons 10x25. Thanks for watching. Here's the box information. Go ahead and give you that. So they come in an 8x22, 10x26. I think the 8x22 is discontinued at the time of this video. They're probably still available for sale, but I'm pretty sure they're discontinued. Here's the box. You get instructions, get a little brochure, instruction book, and a cleaning case. And as you saw, they were sealed. So if you buy them and they're not sealed, you know that somebody has messed with them. If you live in California, I guess you could. Oh, it actually doesn't say that. Oh yeah, it does, right there, California. Good thing I don't live in California. They're safe here. This is what the box looks like. Quality tested. And I didn't go over the bag, I might as well. It's neoprene, it's very thick. This is heat stamped in there. This is a very light nylon parachute-like material. You've got a little clincher right here and a clinch thing right here. Seems like a great case. That's how they fit in the case. They only take up that much room. I wouldn't say they could fit in your pocket by any means, but they are super compact. I don't have a very big hand, and they fit in my hand. I don't know what this little thing is for right here. Oh, that's just stitching for this. Oh, this is a lanyard. This is not a cincher. This is a lanyard, and they've double stitched it into the neoprene. And they've done a good job of stitching the bottom on. And it has two little holes here that you can, webbing to put it on something. And that's an interesting way that they made this. So you can't pull it too hard, I guess. That's how it cinches up. All right, there you go. That'll be it for this close-up of the Bluhorizons Steiner 10x26s. Hope you enjoyed this video. And be sure to check out this video, if you haven't seen it already. Another YouTuber with a really great review. Thanks for watching. See ya.